Unlock the magic of music. Understanding soundtrack premiere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all you English language learners out there. We're diving into the fascinating world of music and movies to explore the meaning behind the phrase, soundtrack premiere. Whether you're a cinephile, a music enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unlock the magic behind these words. First, let's dissect the phrase, soundtrack premiere, to understand its components. A soundtrack refers to the collection of music tracks selected or created to accompany and enhance the scenes in a movie, television show, or video game. It's the musical background that adds emotion, intensity, and atmosphere to the visual storytelling. On the other hand, the word premiere is all about firsts. It means the first public performance or showing of a movie, play, opera, or, in our case, a soundtrack. So, when these two words come together, they signify a special event. The very first time a soundtrack is introduced to the public, often before the associated movie or show is released. Soundtrack premieres are a big deal in the entertainment world. They serve several purposes. 1. Building anticipation. They create buzz and anticipation for the upcoming movie or show. Hearing the music can give audiences a taste of the atmosphere and emotion, making them more excited to see the visual content. 2. Spotlighting artists. These premieres often feature music by famous artists or composers, bringing attention to their work and sometimes even launching new singles or albums. 3. Creating an experience. For fans, attending a soundtrack premiere or listening to it for the first time can be an experience in itself. It allows them to immerse in the world of the movie or show through its music, even before watching it. Experiencing a soundtrack premiere can be exciting, and there are a few ways to do it. Official events. Sometimes, creators hold special events or concerts to debut a soundtrack. These can be live or virtual in today's digital age. Streaming services. Many soundtracks premiere on music streaming platforms, where you can listen to them as soon as they are released. Social media and websites. Follow the social media accounts of movies, shows, or artists you love to get updates on soundtrack releases and premieres. We hope this exploration of the soundtrack premiere has been enlightening and exciting for you. Understanding phrases like this not only enriches your English vocabulary but also brings you closer to the cultural nuances that make language learning so rewarding. Remember, every piece of music tells a story, and a soundtrack premiere is just the beginning of that tale. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay tuned, and happy learning!